Got my memory card so I can remember what to say. I'm gonna get into Frank, see if Frank is worth saving. Hoping Frank is worth saving. Would like to save it, keep it and drive it this way. I know before I said we're not going to in another video, or maybe a couple videos, but I'm gonna try and keep this one going. 4-speed car, get this one all fixed enough so it's drivable. My buddy Dan's gonna come over and help me with the brakes and do all that stuff. So we'll see if that's worth saving this week. And we're gonna get rid of the Monty over there. Hopefully this is the week that leaves, because I'm done working on it and that's it. We're gonna try a new intro. You guys ready? Let's get a little R&R.
Turns out Frank is having a bad day. He has a flat tire.
We gotta put what we need. Get some gas. Can you open that?
Yeah.
Nope. There we go. Gas.
There we go.
A battery. Okay. Get a gas and some battery. We're gonna fill this bowl up like we did before and try and drive it over. Put some gas in there. I believe the keys are in it. I hope. If we can drive it. Oh, good. All right.
That's it. Yo, look at that thing. It's a recliner.
Yeah. So we're gonna go get some gas.
Oh, look at this. This is cool. Little wooden steering wheel.
That steering wheel was even in it. We're gonna leave that. So we need gas. We need to check and see if that was a top post or a side post battery.
Ooh.
That's positive over there.
Yes, sir.
See, hopefully we have power. Oh, I need a Radiator Sport. A friend of mine has one. All right, let's see if we even have power.
Nice.
Yep. Look at that. I got little baby trees. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3 is over there.
There's trees growing out of the top of the car. This is why you don't get a T-top.
We don't call this a barn find. We call it a forest find.
Forest find.
So this was chrome polish. Save that. That might still be good. We can try it on the spot.
Tim, this is probably so bad for you. It's probably so toxic. Wait, let's try and dump it out and see if it's...
Alright, no, wait. Wait, you're going to try it on...
We're going to test it?
Yeah, no. Think it'll work on those rims?
Oh! Alright guys, this is called old school chrome polish test. The turtle wax.
Oh, I have some right here. I have a rag right here.
So that's the chrome polish. You can see that stuff probably gives you cancer.
Alright, or steel wool.
Ooh. What grit steel wool? What is it?
Some fine steel wool. Or you can get a soap pad, those little pads that have soap in them. So there's the rust right there. Didn't really do anything to it, but I have faith in this.
This feels like an infomercial.
I know. The Brillo pad with the soap in it really works good.
I used to use steel wool on all my moped chrome.
I should go get a Brillo pad with the soap in it. But
yeah, that looks pretty nice, huh?
oh, what is that?
Great White Hope. Sticks. If this is yours, come get it. Some guy was jamming out in this thing.
Do you know what a pet peeve is?
I do.
This is a big pet peeve of mine. People like this guy, who I bought this from, did this and ruined a piece. I'm not happy about it. Because the piece, the center console was mint. Not a dent, divot, nothing in it. I was like, oh, it's the best part of the car. Except he did this. With this on the seat. Don't do that. If you do that, what you do, take your seats, put them like that. Any interior pieces like this, these are junk, obviously. You don't throw them like that. Put them away like that. So you don't ruin stuff. You don't take this and just throw it on stuff. I'll show you. Where's my console? Right here. So, this console was really nice. Except for he put the seat right on there.
Let me see if I can see that. Let me see if I can see that.
I don't know if you can even see it. I'm going to paint it, I guess, now. But he put a little rip in it right there.
I think I can see it.
Yeah, a little rip right here. Right there.
Yep.
Because he set it on top. But there was nothing wrong with it. And it sucks. It sucks because he ruined it.
Gosh darn idiot.
So,
and he listened to whatever the hell this is. Blue Collar Man, Long Night's Queen of Spades. What?
but it's okay.
Bro, I don't even think I have a piece of equipment that can use this.
You don't have a what?
I don't have a cassette player. I've never even seen a cassette player in my entire life.
This. Oh, let's see if it
plug it
works.
in. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I'll meet you over there.
I wonder if it works.
Joe.
Still looks okay. Hold on, I think I have a speaker. We got positive and negative. Positive and negative. Nope. I don't hear anything. Hold on a second. Are we even on?
Oh.
It works. Well, the that's working. The local rock station should come in.
Nice.
So, this is a nice find.
Is that a spare tire?
I don't know if this is a 14 or a 14 inch. Yeah, these are very, very hard to find.
Don't ask for it, guys. Can't have it.
Can't have it. Yep, so let's vacuum all that out. We'll see what we have.
It looks like we have 10 gallons of water, 46 pounds of rust.
Yep, that too.
Look at this.
You know, of course.
Tim.
What?
Budget plumbing and heating installation.
I wonder if he's still available. Let's call him.
Plumbing, heating, and electrical.
This is a different one.
What?
It's not like cassette. Nursery rhyme murders
Oh boy, that doesn't sound good.
and radio reruns.
Okay, guys, second cassette. This is kind of cool. It's like a time capsule. You know? Like, I wonder when this thing was last on the road.
1997.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find.
What do we got in here, Tim?
What do we got in here? We have the car we ripped apart. I've been a mess everywhere.
Tim, I don't even remember this car. Which one is this?
This is the one we first pulled
Is
into
this-
the shop, the first episode.
Is this the 4-speed car?
Yeah, this is the 4-speed car. So walk
Oh,
in.
and then your wife's car's
Yep,
back there.
Yep, so that's all the projects we have. So we got a mess everywhere. I have too much going on.
4-speed car. None of these are for sale, guys.
Yeah, that's my wife's
Wife's car. This thing's actually really nice. This thing looks really
This
good.
is what we were
Hey, I
working on.
welded in these
Yes.
floors.
Yes, this is what we did.
Nice.
This is what you were working on before.
Yeah, I stripped this car.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep, so that's this one here. We strip them and we just leave them. We don't
Yeah.
actually finish anything.
We love stripping.
So, alright, I'm trying to find the panels I bought for that thing. That's right, I bought some pieces. They could be anywhere.
So much gasoline.
Rocker panel. Do I have anything else? Oh, I'd have to go up there and look. I bet you I have some stuff up there. What do I have up there? I have some mostly Firebird stuff. We got some sheet metal parts to fix Frank. Rocker panel. Side pieces, because we're not going to fix it perfect. And we'll weld little patches in here and there. We have to. It's going to be like a kept together car, is what we're doing with this one.
Guys, this is numbers matching restoration here.
Yeah, this is Body Boys 101 here.
What's that place that does it like crazy? Barrett Jackson? What is that?
Yeah, we're not doing that.
No, we are. This is a Barrett Jackson restoration.
All right, so we're gonna. What I'll probably do is sandblast all this,
Yeah.
just to get the rust out of there to kind of preserve it.
Yeah.
So, all right, this will work. This will work.
Guys, if you want to see more Frank content, comment. I love Frank in the
Getting parts
comments.
together for Frank. Max wants Frank.
I want to have this car one day.
I'll have to put it in
Maybe
my
I'll get
will.
enough money. Maybe I'll get enough money to buy it.
Put it in my will for you.
Oh yeah, or maybe Tim will just kick the bucket. No.
Yeah, I could.
You
All right,
could?
so- I could. I don't feel good lately.
Oh no, Tim, don't say that.
Yeah, so you might be out of a job.
No.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna fix it. I need a radiator support, a little patch here, rocker panel.
Not too
So I'll use
bad.
for the other side. I got my little patches here and there. We're gonna patch the floor with. I'll just bend something, make it. Fix the brakes. Finish the exhaust. The exhaust is all good here, so I'll just run it out the back. I don't care if it's just a single exhaust. I really don't care.
And then we're gonna do donuts.
Then we're gonna do donuts in it.
Nice.
Yeah, the windshield's not cracked, so I don't have to take anything apart.
This thing's
The
mint.
windshield's not cracked. Use your little lever.
Guys, Tim caught the fire. I caught the car on fire. Oh god.
Hold it up. All right.
Big moves. Big moves.
Unbelievable. It's moving.
We only had to catch it on fire and kick it.
I can't. Yeah. You know what? What am I doing?
Kick it. Nice.
We're in.
Look at that, guys. This is the crappiest looking, actually decent car I've ever seen.
Yeah. So there we go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you want to see any more projects I'm working on. See more in depth of some stuff. So we got next week. Will be part 2, continued on the on Frank. We're gonna get into that. Weld everything into the floor. Get all the pieces back on it. Do the brakes on that. So that'll be in the shop next week. And what else are we going to be doing? Do you know what we're going to be doing, Max? You have no clue, right? Whatever I tell you. Max is going to do whatever I tell him. And that'll work. So remember, like, subscribe, comment. And that's it for today. Oh yeah, wait one more second. I forgot to say, this car is definitely leaving this week. So we'll have a new car in this spot. It'll be my wife's car. I got to finish that one. And what else am I going to have in here? I'll be pulling Frank in and out, but Frank will be over on the other side for this week. This will be gone. New one will be in. It'll be interesting. See that.